Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the most essential pieces of home gym equipment, power towers. If you're looking to build strength, improve endurance, and train your entire upper body using bodyweight exercises, a power tower is one of the best investments you can make. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best power towers in 2025, breaking down their features, benefits, and drawbacks so you can figure out which one fits your training style and home gym setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some tips on what to look for before buying a power tower. Number 1. Power Tower Dip Station with Elastic Ropes, Red, Black. This is a multifunction power tower that combines a pull-up bar, dip station, push-up handles, and even comes with resistance elastic ropes. It has adjustable height settings so users of different sizes can use it comfortably. The black and red steel frame gives it a stylish look and solid build. This model is great for beginners and families. The adjustable height makes it versatile for men, women, and even teens who are just starting out. The included resistance ropes are a nice bonus because you can add resistance training to your bodyweight workouts. It's not the heaviest duty tower on the market, but for home gyms where space and budget matter, this is a well-rounded choice. Pros: multi-purpose, pull-ups, dips, push-ups, leg raises, adjustable height for different users, comes with resistance ropes, affordable entry-level option. If you're just starting out or want an affordable tower with extra training variety, this is a great pick. Number 2. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Power Tower. The RELIFE Power Tower has been a top-selling option for years, and the 2025 version keeps improving. It offers 9 height adjustment levels, anti-slip grips, and a reinforced steel frame. It's designed for home gyms and is compact enough to fit in most spaces. What stands out about RELIFE is reliability. It's sturdy enough for everyday workouts and won't wobble if set up correctly on a flat surface. The adjustable height makes it family-friendly, and the anti-slip handles give you extra comfort during pull-ups and dips. The design is more traditional compared to fancier models, but sometimes simplicity is all you need. Pros: reliable and stable frame, multiple height adjustments, comfortable padded grips, compact size for smaller gyms. Users who want a budget-friendly, no-nonsense power tower that will last for years. Number 3. Sportsroyals Power Tower, 450 pounds capacity. Sportsroyals has become one of the most trusted names in home gym gear, and their power tower is no exception. It supports up to 450 pounds, making it much stronger than entry-level towers. It has a stable steel frame, ergonomic backrest, and anti-slip foot pads for extra safety. This tower is built for people who want to take bodyweight training seriously. The 450-pound capacity means you can even add weighted vests or dip belts without worrying about stability. The ergonomic backrest is a nice touch because it provides support during leg raises and ab workouts, which many cheaper towers don't offer. The wide base design helps prevent wobbling even during intense pull-ups and dips. It does take up more space and requires more assembly time, but the trade-off is worth it for the stability and safety. Pros: high weight capacity, stable and durable construction, comfortable backrest for ab exercises, anti-slip base for safety. Intermediate to advanced users who want a stable, high-capacity tower for serious training. Number 4. Wesfital Power Tower, Multifunctional. Wesfital's power tower is designed for both men and women. It includes pull-up bars, dip bars, and push-up handles. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments and smaller gyms. This model balances functionality and size. It's not as heavy-duty as the Sportsroyals, but it's lighter, easier to move, and still covers all the essential bodyweight exercises. The design makes it appealing for home users who don't want something too bulky but still want versatility. Pros: compact and space-saving, suitable for men and women, covers pull-ups, dips, push-ups, leg raises, easy to move around. Casual users or those with smaller spaces who still want a full-body workout station. Number 5. Stamina pull-up bar tower and dip station, outdoor friendly. The Stamina Power Tower is unique because it's designed to be portable and even used outdoors. It's a freestanding pull-up and dip station with an adjustable and lightweight design, perfect for calisthenics and outdoor workouts. This is a fantastic option if you like training outside or want something that's easy to move around. It's weather-resistant, portable, and quick to set up. It's not the strongest tower on the list, but for bodyweight training and calisthenics, it's excellent. If you're into street workout style training, this one's for you. Pros: lightweight and portable, weather-friendly and outdoor adaptable, adjustable and easy to set up, great for calisthenics workouts, calisthenics enthusiasts or anyone who wants the freedom to train indoors or outdoors. So those are the top 5 best power towers of 2025. To quickly recap, the Power Tower with elastic ropes is great for beginners. The RELIFE Power Tower is reliable and budget-friendly. The Sportsroyals Tower is the best heavy-duty choice. The Wesfital Tower is compact and perfect for smaller spaces. And the Stamina Tower is portable and outdoor-friendly. I've included links in the description so you can check the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home gym reviews, and comment below which power tower fits your training style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.